Whoa, look at this growling stomach. Our tummies need food to keep us strong and healthy. Did you know that our stomachs have special muscles to mix food? Let's see how animals eat in the wild. Some animals even have special tools to eat their food. Some animals even have special stomachs to store food. Our bodies have special ways to get rid of extra food. Did you know that our tummies have special friends to help digest food? Some animals even have special ways to store food for the winter. Let's see the most amazing food in the world.